Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. So let's get right into the video. Once you are into your Instagram account, head over to your profile. Go to the hamburger menu. If you scroll down, you can see an option restricted under the how others can interact with you section. Then click on the restricted option and click on next. Then again search for someone you want to restrict. Suppose it is this one. Suppose it is this one. So all you have to do is click on the restrict option and the account is restricted. They will not able to see your posts on Instagram or cannot direct message you on Instagram. And you didn't have to block them also. That's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.